Hello, and welcome to my portfolio in search engine optimization for business. In this video, I'll be showing to you updates that I have made in my website as well as the improvements in the SEO performance of each blog post. So to start, if you remember the two blog posts that I have made titled 5 tasks you can hand off to a virtual assistant this week. And the second post was titled 3 Signs It's Time to Delegate Your Admin Work. So here you can see that I have changed the titles of the blog posts into a much more refined version. The first is now titled Tasks to Delegate to a Virtual Assistant, 5 High Impacts You Can Hand Off This Week. And the second is now titled Signs You Need a Virtual Assistant, 3 Ways to Know It's Time to Delegate. So to continue, let's go to the editing mode of the first blog post. So here you can see this is the heading of the first blog post. And then here you can also see that I have made a lot of improvements in the content of the post. It's much more refined now, and also it's more detailed. And then here you can see that I have also included two links. One is an external link that will redirect the viewer or the reader to another link outside of my website, and the other one will redirect them to the contact page so that they can book a free consultation. So here you can see I have enabled the plugin, the Yoast plugin. And then here in this plugin, you can find out if your SEO has good results. So here you can see that I have all of the results of the analysis are good. Here the outbound link or the external link, which is this one. Key phrase and attributes. So it's the alt text of the image, and then the image, internal links, which is this one. Key phrase in introduction, which is the first paragraph here. Key phrase density, key phrase in SEO titles. So in order to find that, you go to search appearance, and then here you can edit and rename the title, also the slug and the meta description. So going back, so the SEO title, like I said, the key phrase length, which you'll find here when you put the focus key phrase, the key phrase and meta description, which I've shown earlier, meta description length, and all others. And then key phrase and slug, key phrase and subheading, which is the heading 2 and the heading 3, and all others. So as you can see earlier, all the results of my SEO analysis are good. So this one is a good blog post that have this one is a blog post that has good SEO. So this is the blog post in the view mode. So here you can see that this line, when you hover over it, it's a link, and also in this line as well. Next, well, let's go to the second blog post in the editing mode. So here you can see that I've also renamed the heading to the much refined version. And then here you can also see that I have improved the contents. There's a second heading now, there's a third heading as well. And it's much more detailed as well. So as you can see, there's also an external link. There's a internal link, and then all images have an alternative text. And then here in the Yoast plugin, you can see the focus key phrase that I've used. And here in the analysis results, all results are in good as well. We have an outbound link. We have a key phrase in the image as in the image out. And then here in the search appearance, this is the SEO title, the slug, the meta description. And then here in the view mode, as you can see, this is how the blog post now looks like. And then here, when you go to this line, you can hover over it and you can click on it and it will go to a new link or the article of the of that is attached in this post. So this is the external link, for example. And then for the internal link, this is the internal link. That's all for my search engine optimization for business portfolio. Thank you for watching.